Alright, hello and welcome to another video. Today we're just going to be talking about how to change the battery on your BMW key fob. I will leave a link in the description below to the exact type of battery that you need so you can order it quickly off of Amazon if you haven't already picked one up. So, jumping right in, you're going to want to pick up your BMW key fob and flip it over. You probably already know how to remove the mechanical key. You're going to want to go ahead and do that using this button right here, pressing with one hand and pulling out. Now, where that key comes out, you will notice this little tab. What you're going to want to do is using the mechanical key itself, you can pry up that tab, which will remove the entire back cover that covers the battery. So very gently, don't be afraid to use a little bit of force. It'll bend a bit and you pop that off. Now, unfortunately, the mechanical key is a little bit too large to pry the battery out, so you're going to have to use a screwdriver of some sort. But once you have something that fits, the battery will come up very easily, being careful not to scrape anything. Take the old battery out, grab your new one. Again, I'll leave the link in the description below if you don't know what type of battery this is. Slide it in using the leading edge and push it down. Next, a little bit of a tip to put the back cover back on. It seems simple, but you might run into this. You're going to want to lead with the bottom edge as expected, but then what you're going to want to do is clip in this top half first. So you can hear that click, and the back cover is now a little bit bowed, and then you push the center in. That will ensure that it's completely on properly, and then all you have to do is return the mechanical key to its rightful place, and you have changed the battery on your BMW key fob and have many years of happy driving to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.